Well, what a turnaround in the markets today. So what I have pulled up is a daily time frame on the triple Qs, the NASDAQ 100, the triple Q ETF. At one point in time, we were down almost 500 points on the day. We were down like 400 points on the NASDAQ futures, and we came all the way back to close green on the day. We really caught a bid, a strong bid around 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, around 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, where I'm currently located. You can see today, I'm going to make this a little bit bigger here. You can just see an absolute monster hammer candle on the triple Qs. So what could this be signifying to us? Is the selling over? I'm not going to go as far to say that that's the bottom. I'm not going to go as far to say is we're not going any lower. But what I am going to say is possibly we are going to get some sort of relief bounce. We could very well be getting a little bit of a dead cat rally. We could very well be seeing a short-term bottom. Somewhere along the lines, something happened at around 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time where some sort of institution, some big buyer, something happened where they said, hey, I'm comfortable buying stocks at these prices. The algos turned on, and that's what you've seen the last hour of the day. Those algos really turned on, and you really started to see the prices sort of ramp up. So if I pull up the hourly time frame here, we can see this 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time candle here came all the way down to 334. Absolutely incredible. A long shadow wick here took out this previous price action. First 10 a.m. candle closed at 345. Then we got another push all the way up here to 353 before the market closed. So somewhere in this area down here, we really started to see, buyers step in and say, hey, we're comfortable with where we're at. Let's go ahead and scoop up these incredible deals. So you can kind of see what heavy algo trading looks like. We caught this bid down here at 334.15, and then it's just kind of like walking the staircase up. We walk the staircase all the way up. We come back test the 5 and 10 and 20-day moving averages, get this nice bounce here, come walking back up, second back test in this area, and then it's pretty much for the last hour of the day, last hour and a half of the day's session, where we really just didn't have nothing but two red candles in the past hour. So with that being said, could we be getting ready to see a little bit of relief bounce? We do have FOMC meeting on Wednesday. That's something that we're going to definitely need to take a look at. I'm going to give you a couple of levels that we can look to play to the top side. So triple Qs, if we take a look at 354, we're going to have room all the way back up to 360. Okay, so we will be met with a little bit of resistance at around 359, 360. If you're looking to get long anything over 354, 3 to 4 point potential move on that. And it just depends on what time frame you're playing. So if you go to something like the 4-hour time frame, right? 4-hour time frame, what I'd really want to see is to get over 358, 56. And then you have room all the way up to 367. That's on a 4-hour time frame. This is more of like somebody who's looking to do a little bit of swing trading. If you're looking for someone who's looking to do a little bit of day trading, possibly some scalps. What we're looking for here is at 354, and we're going to get this initial push into 358 as well as 361. So definitely want to be taking your profits in that area. Obviously, we have a very clear, decisive line in the sand. If the triple Qs do get down below 334, watch out. We could be spelling into a bigger correction. But I mean, at one point in time from the overall highs, the NASDAQ 100 was down 15, 16, 17%. That's a very, very significant correction. A full correction would be around 20%. And even 20% we haven't seen in a long time. So with that being said, good little reversal today. Look for some stocks to possibly have a bit of a bounce. When you're looking to play dead cats, what you're going to want to really target are some of the stocks that got absolutely hammered, like stocks that got absolutely hammered. One of those stocks being Amazon. Amazon today came down lows 2707 and closed at 2890. So almost a 200-point reversal on Amazon. And if we take a look at Amazon, if Amazon can start taking out this 2900, it's got room all the way back up to 2950, 2960, and 3000. So definitely want to take a look at that. Take a look at something like Shopify that's been just absolutely destroyed. If Shopify can start reclaiming 964, does have room to 1010 and 1024. Want to keep that on watch. Take a look at something like Facebook, who had a mega reversal today as well. Traded all the way down to lows today of 289 before that reversal all the way up at 308. I mean, just some absolute fantastic trades that happened today. So realistically, what I'd be looking for on something like Facebook, look to reclaim this 50-day moving average at around 311. That's going to give you an initial pop to 313, 314, and then your next area of interest would be around 315. So just as long as you're playing the levels accordingly, you're being smart with your risk, you have an actual day trading strategy, you have an actual risk management setup in place. And if you don't, guys, visit my website, evolutiontraders.com. I have a whole course on how you guys can get started with a good and profitable and disciplined strategy. Also, if you want to join my Discord completely free of charge, I do have a couple of sections, paid as well as free, for information, education. You guys can join that Discord. That link is down in the description box below. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I do release videos on the daily. And I will see you guys all on the next video.